Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mystery bag for you, and I think this is the first time Huda Beauty has ever done any mystery bags, and I immediately just had to jump on the deal. So I was checking on the website really quick. I'm up super early. I'm filming, it's 6:56. I'm not a morning person, but I've been up for a while, so we're gonna be okay. But I'm sorry, I've got weird like sunlight coming in. What is that? I don't know what that is. But these mystery bundles showed up. I believe I saw them on the 12th. I think that's the day that I ordered it. Today is the 19th and I did receive it yesterday. So they came out with 2 bundles and it says that this deal ends May 13th, but you can still add these to your cart as of right now on the website. The large one is definitely in stock and the small one. So maybe they just extended it. So if you're interested and you go to their website today, you might still be able to get this. I'll have it linked below just in case you want to check it out. But there was a small and a large. I went ahead and got the large size, but so you guys know, the small was $49, $122 value. It says it's over 50% in savings, 48 hours only, which doesn't seem to be the case. 4 full size and a tote, may include eyes, lips, and face. And then the large mystery bundle, which is what I got, was $89. Again, a 50% in savings, a value of $206, so more than double what you pay. 6 full-size products and the tote. So I just thought, why not? Let's just go for it. I am scared that I'm gonna get duplicates because I do have a lot of Huda palettes. I have some lips, but not that many. I feel like lips I would be safe on. And it says you can get face too. So I don't know what we are going to get, but I'm excited to dive in. So I've got my little tote bag. It's just like one of those kind of simple canvasy bags. It seems pretty sturdy. I could definitely use this, you know, for anything really. So really versatile, but certainly not something I would just go out and buy. So we've got basically a bundle in here. Everything is kind of bubble wrapped up, so I can't help but kind of see what's in here at this moment. All right, the first thing is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So I don't know how I feel about this being a matte formula. Also, Huda's products, while I love a lot of them, the complexion for me is just a little iffy because of the scent. And I know a lot of people say that. That is nothing new. I cannot seem to get over that scent. And I do have her foundation now, and typically what I do is mix it with something else, but even then it's like still a very overwhelming floral scent, so perfumed. So I'm wondering if this will be the same thing, but who knows. I don't think I have a primer from Huda. I don't think, yeah, no primers. So let's see what this looks like. I know that I've like tested them on the back of my hand in store, so I'm just gonna put a little on my hand. It is more like a gel consistency, which is not typical for a matte primer, or most I should say. Okay, wow, this one's not as bad. It's still scented, but it's not nearly as much as the foundation. So I'm curious to use this in the summertime when I get a little bit oily. I live in the South in Alabama and it is hot and it is humid. I feel like I have a little cloud hanging out with me. This actually feels nice. It feels very smooth. My hand doesn't immediately feel dry, but it feels really nice and smooth. So I feel like that may be a summertime staple. So we're gonna try it out and I will definitely put it to good use. Let's see what else we got. The Amethyst Obsessions palette. Now I have to double check with palettes and make sure, but I'm fairly certain I don't have the Amethyst. I have a lot of the Obsession ones, but I'm gonna check in a second. But that's what the palette looks like. Oh, we got a sample of Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, a little sample. Okay, so we got a Demi Matte Lip in, is that Shaka? That's the color right there. It looks really pretty. Their Demi Matte formula is so nice. It reminds me of, if you guys have ever had the Buxom, not their glosses, but they're like shiny liquid lip. I don't remember what it's called. They're very similar in formula, and those went on sale one time and I bought so many colors, but I kind of compared them in store just swatching next to each other, and these are super similar, but I really do love her formula of lips so much. Ooh, that's so pretty. So this is like a deeper mauve. Looks really nice. Oh, we got another Demi Matte. Okay, I'm pretty happy about this. This is Passionista. So this is the packaging. I mean, you have to admit, that's pretty cool packaging. It's a little unnecessary, like size, a lot of plastic, but it looks really cool. I can't tell if this is more magenta or berry, but let's go ahead and swatch this one as well. Ooh. I was really hoping to get some of the liquid eyeshadows. That's Passionista right there. I don't know why I just don't go ahead and buy some of them, but I think it's because I like all the colors, especially the colorful ones, and I just don't know which one to pick up first. That would be like one PR package that I would be like so excited to receive, is all of those liquid eyeshadows. I saw some people get those and I was like, oh, I'm so jealous, because I'd just like to be able to try them all. We also got the Topaz Obsessions. I don't think I have this one either. I'm gonna have to look and be sure because I know I have some. I don't remember using this palette though, so that's what it looks like. I have to check really quick and be sure. This is so weird. This is the two colors in the Obsessions palettes that I don't have. Like in the colorful packaging, I have the green, I have the blue, I think I have the red as well, but I didn't have these two. That's so random that I would get like the exact ones that I needed to complete my little set. I couldn't help but see that I got the Desert Dusk palette. So I know I already have this one, so I went ahead and grabbed it as well. So I can just show you mine because I have used her quite a few times. Obviously she's still in really decent condition because I have, you know, so many palettes and I don't use them all the time. But this is a really pretty palette if you like warms and purples. It gives you the best of both worlds. You got some rich warms, you got some very light neutrals, and of course the purples. So it's a really pretty color assortment. So I am going to do a giveaway with this palette. I have not done a giveaway in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and give this palette away. So if you want to be able to win this palette, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel here, give this video a like, follow me on Instagram. And the last thing you'll have to do is just leave any comment down below with your Instagram handle so that I can make sure you are following, and that will be it. So subscribe, like the video, follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below with anything plus your handle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I'll have a little tally at the end and let you know the exact value. It's probably $206, but I'm gonna have to look at the prices individually and let you guys know. My little cloud and I are appreciative of you staying around for this video. I hope you're doing amazing and hanging in there and just making the best of everything that's happening now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys!